Hi everyone, David here. Welcome to the beautifully new remodeled home in Fullerton, California. I'm excited to show you everything that we did here, starting from the front entrance. Obviously you can see newly constructed, beautiful open sliding doors. We remodeled the entire space, pretty much of the whole living area of the house, starting with painting the beams, staining them, opening, and obviously they used to have complete windows here. Everything was changed structurally to accommodate these new doors. Beautiful new custom-made tile with special patterns. The exterior, I'm gonna talk about it too. Walking out of the doors, you can see a brand new paver patio, pergola. All the landscaping, hardscaping is custom made for the space, to organize it, for the homeowners to feel at home and have the nicest feeling of indoor-outdoor that you can achieve here. You can see obviously the beautiful view here. I'll show you the rest of the house that we did, continuing with the kitchen and powder room. Follow me, I'll show you around. This kitchen was completely redone. It used to be a very small with closed walls in here. We opened the entire thing up, created vaulted ceilings with, again, continuing the beautiful beams in here. All the walls here are gone. Now they just have a beautiful custom-made kitchen with a big island that can seat 4 or 5 people. Custom-made countertop, Calcutta marble, all the flat doors, all the appliances, everything you can imagine, with the kitchen flowing perfectly to the customer's needs. And last but not least is gonna be the little powder room here. Everything again was redone. It was actually a laundry room before, and the laundry room was relocated to give them a powder room right here by the kitchen. Everything was redone, toilet, sinks, wainscoting, everything is brand new here. Now they can enjoy pretty much a brand new home. The kitchen with the doors, with the outdoor-indoor feel. Everything here is new, and I'm excited for the homeowners to enjoy and use it. It was a beautiful process and beautiful product at the end. If you like what you see and you would want us to help out, come over and help with the design and give you obviously an estimate for your work, feel free to reach out to Horizon and we'll be happy to help you.